first things first, need to get rid of this belt. And to do that, whoops, got to relieve tension on that pulley right there. And it's kind of hard to get to, so I'm gonna have to take off this hose. Okay, so I don't have enough room to get this in that hole, so now this is gonna have to go. So you can see there's the peg that we need to get into. Assuming, yeah, should be able to, yeah, just like that. Good. Disconnected the wiring and gotten all the bolts out, so it should be just this last one, and I should be able to pull it out. Alrighty, last bolt. Should, in theory, come out now. Whew, finally got it out. It's a lot tougher than I thought it was going to be, but it's out. And hopefully it works. I'm going to clean up the connections a little bit and head on to this one. Got the old belt off, and see, it's definitely needs replacement, so I have to get one of those. Because the last thing to do is the impossible task of getting this clip off without breaking it. So I'll let you know how that goes. Alrighty, so wasn't too bad. So here's the old one, and then here's the new one. Time for this one to go in. Okay, I'm gonna try to put the belt back on real quick. If it's not too hard, I'm gonna follow this guide and see if I can get it. If it's too hard, then I can just skip it, because but this is just to test it. Belt back on with a relative ease. I was able to loosen the tensioner pulley from underneath the car. I'm just kind of checking to make sure everything's seated okay. Looks like it. So I guess the next step is to reconnect the battery and fire it up. Please don't catch on fire. Yeah, we went from 14 volts with the engine running to 14.15, so it's an improvement. Still not the 4.5 volts I would like, so might have to go with a new alternator anyway, but it'll be easy. And nothing caught on fire or exploded, so it's a thumbs up in my book. Okay, so yeah, while I've been running it, I found a coolant leak, but it looks like it's leaking just from the end of the hose, so a new hose should fix it. So that's good, but yeah, this is a problem. Oops. So to get this pulley off, I'm gonna have to use this tool to pull it from AutoZone. So we'll see how that goes. The tool's on, so now just gotta tighten this, see if we can get it off. Alright. Pulley came off without incident. Tool worked great. Got the old pump out, so now I'm just gonna drain it to this apple juice. Okay, so got it out, no problem, so time for this one to go in. Alright, here's the old one. Okay, so the new pump is in. Got the return hose clamped in, so next is putting these bolts. Okay, so all that's left is put the pulley back on, so first gonna lubricate that, should make things easier. Then you can just place it on and use the tool again. Okay, so after a lot of cursing, it's finally lined back up. So now all that's left is to reconnect the battery and put the belt back on. Alrighty, got the new belt back on, so last step is to add fluid. So that actually worked. So I'm gonna take it around the block, see how it feels. So back from the test drive, and it feels like a normal car. It's a little noisy, but definitely works, as before it didn't at all. So huge improvement. Super happy with that. But one thing it does need is an alignment. I was driving down the street sideways. Alternator's been replaced, power steering pump, and the serpentine belt all been replaced. So I think that's gonna do it for this week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.